Good morning, Year 3. Here is the Lesson 2 input of our volume topic. So again, we're looking at measuring capacity in millilitres. Okay, so here is our in-focus task. How can we use this beaker to find out the amount of water the bottle can hold? Have a think about that question for a moment. How can we use the beaker to find out the amount of water the bottle can hold? Okay, so we can pour the water into the beaker, and this beaker measures up to 500 millilitres, and each of the markings stand for 50 millilitres, so you're going to be counting in 50s today. You can use your 5 times table to help you do that if you struggle with counting in 50s. In between the markings, we have a little marking. So here we've got a tiny marking at the beginning, just mark it in red. And then you've got 100 and then another tiny marking. Those are the ones that will be going up in 50s. So you'll have 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. Okay, so the capacity of the bottle is about 350 millilitres, so it just stops halfway between 300 and 400, so that would be 350 millilitres. So we've just got a number line here to help us count in 50s. So we've got 50, the next number would be 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500 and 550. If you struggle with counting in your 50s, you can pause this video here and this will help you with your worksheet. Okay, so the guided practice. The volume of the coloured water in the beaker is about something millilitres. So the coloured water here, remember we are counting in 50s, so we've got 50, 100, 150, 200, and it stops at the 200 mark, so that would be about 200 millilitres. Okay, and then the volume of coloured water in the beaker for this one, if we see, it stops halfway between 400 and 500, so we know that we're counting in 50s, so that halfway mark here would be 450, so that will be 450 millilitres. Okay, let's see if you can have a go at this one. So you've got the volume of coloured water in the beaker is about something halfway between 100 and 200, which would be 150 millilitres. Okay, it's a really short task again today, so you're completing worksheet 2 on page 184. Once you finish this, you can go on to Times Table Rockstars again and practice your times tables. If you have any issues, just give us a message on Dojo and we'll get back to you. Have a lovely day.